I am here to represent Governor-elect Phil Murphy, Lieutenant Governor-elect Sheila Oliver. They both send their... Thank you. They send their regrets that they couldn't be here themselves. We tried very hard to rearrange their schedules, but they felt very strongly that we should have representation here tonight. And when I was with the governor-elect earlier today and we were talking about what I should say here, he wanted to make sure that I acknowledge, as the Chief Justice did, the lawyers and staff working for legal services, and the word he used for them and for you all was heroes. I would echo that. So I want to congratulate you all again on the successes of this organization and the legacy you are collectively leaving for the next generation. So thank you. It's already been said about the great work that this organization has done over the last 50 years, the literally millions of people across our state who you have touched, and the fact that every year over 100,000 people turn to the lawyers and staff members of this organization at their darkest times, when they're facing losing their homes or seeing their families ripped apart, or having trouble navigating the complex bureaucracies that stand between them and the wages or benefits that they're lawfully entitled. That's the work you're doing, and that's who they turn to. You are the people that they turn to every day when they need help in their darkest times, and you're there for them, regardless of where they're from, how much money they have, who they are, what they look like. And on behalf of the new administration, and having just come off a campaign where we spent 18 months every day up and down our state, in many of the communities that you all work in, it goes without saying, but I'll say it, you are having a tremendous impact. We've seen your clients, we've seen the impact of the work you're having. We're honored to be here to celebrate you all. So congratulations again. But I wanted to just make one quick point, and then I will wrap up because I will be very brief. This is not just a night of celebration. As the Chief Justice pointed out, there is much work to be done. The 50th anniversary, in some respects, is a marker of how far we've come, but it's also a reminder of how much work we have left to do. When I was applying to law school, the one consistent, sadly, piece of advice I kept getting was don't go. That the world had too many lawyers and the last thing we needed was another one. My favorite statistic, I haven't fact-checked it because I actually kind of liked it, was that there were apparently, I was living in Washington, D.C. at the time, and there were apparently more lawyers in Washington than there were in the entire country of Japan. But those attitudes and facts, of course, are wrong. If there were too many lawyers, then across America we wouldn't have 86% of low-income individuals facing civil proceedings without access to adequate assistance of counsel. If those statistics were correct and we had too many lawyers, then in Essex County, as Paula Francesi had pointed out, less than 0.2% of individuals facing eviction proceedings would raise an affirmative defense that could keep them in their homes and off the streets. So we have much work to be doing, or much work to be done. I'm here to say, on behalf of an administration that's newly elected and looking forward to working with you all, that we will be partners in that effort, that we will work with you, and it is our goal and our intent to help meaningfully close the justice gap. So in 50 years, when we're celebrating the 100th anniversary of legal services, whoever is standing here in my shoes or in the Chief Justice's shoes won't have to bemoan that justice gap, but we'll show a video looking back on the fact that that gap is in fact closed. So thank you, congratulations again, honored to be here, and look forward to working with you.